Aries, this is your reading for the month of June. We are going to get messages from your person and let's see what do we have here. This reading is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. I feel this person wants to say a lot of things. Can you settle for 8 or 9 instead of 10? I'm also feeling little impatient here, little impulsive and nervous as well. So it could be your partner's energy, Aries. Lost without you. Exactly. They are lost without you and they are very nervous to talk to you. They also want to tell you that can you settle for a little less because they feel you are perfect or you seek perfection, and they just want to tell you that they cannot fulfill every desire. They cannot fulfill your every desire. They cannot offer you that much that you seek from your partner. I want you all to myself. I'm also getting they feel that you have a lot of admirers, Aries. You have a lot of followers, people like you, people throw themselves on you. You are very attractive, very stylish and toxic parents. I'm also getting you could be having some family issues. Your father could be very rich. That's for very some of you, and they feel that your lifestyle is very different from them. They cannot afford your lifestyle. If that's the case, your demands are too high. Exactly. They don't know how to talk to you openly. Maybe they are hesitant. They are a little shy that how can they tell you that they cannot afford your lifestyle? If they told you, they could be a little rude towards you. The distance between us is killing me. They don't want to lose you, Aries. They want you all to themselves. They don't want you to talk to someone else. They don't want other people to even look at you. I'm also getting you could be very popular when it comes to your social media. It could be anything else as well. It could be your work, but definitely they feel you are very stylish, very attractive. People like you, people want to be with you. I'm in love with you. This person. I'm getting introvert vibe here. They cannot express their emotions, but yes, they love you. They're in love with you. You don't want an alcoholic person, and I don't want a controlling partner. So they could be feeling that you are trying to control them. This could be your energy, Aries. For most of you, I feel this is your energy. Maybe they were telling you to settle for a little less, and you could be feeling that they are trying to control you. Maybe you are very talkative, maybe you are very social. They did not want you to talk to other people. So maybe you were thinking that they were trying to control you. Stop talking to that bastard. Exactly, Aries. This person was telling you not to talk with a certain person or not to talk with a group of people. That's because they are very insecure. They don't like it. I love the color of your eyes. They like you a lot. I was a fool who let you walk away. Maybe because of their insecurity, they let you walk away, Aries, and now they are regretting it. I keep a close eye on your social media. Exactly, Aries. This is the reason they don't want you to talk to other people. Also, this distance is killing them if you are talking to someone else. If other people are even liking your pictures, they are posting comments, they are reading every comment, they are even seeing who is liking your picture and are they special to you. That kind of vibe I'm getting here. They think about you a lot. You can break the silence too. Stop expecting me to always make a first move. So this is a no contact situation for most of you, and they want you to break the silence. Maybe in the past, they were always the one who initiated a conversation with you, who always made a first move. But now they want you to break the silence. I'm pissed off because they are pissed off. You are not taking any action towards them. Instead, you are talking to other people or you are very happy. That's how they feel, Aries, because they are keeping a close eye on your social media. A friend request, if you have deleted them out of anger, or I feel it could be their energy that they deleted you out of anger, whatever the situation is, they are going to send you a friend request. And if they have already sent you a friend request and you put that on hold or you rejected that request, they are pissed off. How can I make things better? And if they are not on your social media, just know there could be someone on your social media who is giving them that information, what you are up to, with whom you are talking, what you are doing. Interference. Exactly. There are some outside influences. Maybe their friends were the reason, their family were the reason. who told them that you guys cannot be together, that you are not going to settle for less, they cannot afford your lifestyle. I want revenge. I don't feel this is their energy, because so far I feel they are just in love with you, they are possessive, they are obsessed with you, and not in a bad way. They don't have any bad intentions for you. Let's see. See, I'm in love with you. Now, this revenge could be about physical intimacy, that they want to give you that pleasure that you don't even consider talking to other people. That kind of vibe I'm getting here. They fantasize about you a lot. Definitely they love you, and they are very attracted towards you. You are not the only one in my life. So I feel they want to keep their options open, because they feel you have a lot of options, Aries. Let me hold you. I have so much desire for you. I told you that's what they want. I'm too afraid to talk. They are afraid to talk, and I'm addicted to your body. They are obsessed with you. They don't want you to be with someone else. I'm also getting, because they see you as someone like who is very, very beautiful, very, very sexy. Like literally, that's how they feel, Aries. That's how they feel about you. So they feel that everybody is going to try to get your attention. Everybody want your attention. Everybody want to sleep with you. So that's what they think about every time. And they are insecure. Yes, they are insecure, and that's because they love you. And yes, a part of them feels that they should keep their options open, because you are not going to accept them back, or you are not going to take action towards them. So they should just move on, but no, they cannot. Let's see, what can you expect here? Commitment. They want to have a commitment, Aries. They want a real deal. I feel they are waiting for you. Whoever this person is, they are ready for you. They want you. Yes, they are insecure. They don't want to lose you. And if they walked away, that's because they were insecure. People told them that they cannot afford your lifestyle, that you will not be happy with them. Divine union. This could be your twin flame, if you believe that term, but definitely your soulmate. I also feel maybe you guys are very different. Still, this person has a special place in your heart. Partnership. This is definitely about commitment and partnership, Aries. So, family. See, family interference. That's what I'm getting here. But yes, they want to have a family with you. Maybe their family is very important for them. And if their parents are not ready for this relationship yet, this is the reason they messed up. We have hell no. So whatever you are thinking right now, the answer is hell no. And conflict. So they don't want to have a conflict with you, Aries. Definitely they don't want to fight with you. They don't want any drama. They are very obsessed with you. They love you. So they are going to reach out. That's what I'm getting here. For now, they are waiting for you, but divine union, you guys will meet. If not now, then it could be possible you guys will meet next month, but this will happen. So that's all I have for you. I really hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.